Hello guys, welcome to EKMC to discuss more about play to earn topics. Okay, so for today, I will be having a double experience rewards as indicated in the announcement from Crudge. It will happen 12 hours from now from his post at around 1:49 p.m. So this means in Philippine time it will happen around 2 p.m. This will be a great opportunity for us to maximize the time and level up our characters in order to gain more experience and skills. Now I have here an Excel file. It is called an Experience Stamina Planner. Okay, so I'm sharing this with you guys down in the description below. Basically, the goal is for you to have an idea and not to constantly compute how much stamina you will have by 2 p.m. This one will all throughout compute it. So, for example, the maximum stamina is the same, around 200, and event starts at 2 p.m. today, Philippine time. Now, this is where you perform your changes. Okay, for example, your current character stamina is around 100, and then the current time, you'll have to update this. Okay, so I put here, just click D7, which is this cell, and then perform Control Shift semicolon. So when I put that there, it says it's around 8:30 a.m. today. So that's around 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. That's around 5.5 hours from now. And then it will automatically compute how much stamina will there be by the time the event starts at 2 p.m. So you'll have around 152, wherein, for example, your stamina is around 200. And then you're wondering, should I perform battle now while it's still early? Yes, you can. You will see here in the computation, you have an excess of 52.36 stamina points. So that means you can still do one more battle and then just leave it, or maybe two more battles, and then just wait until 2 p.m. before doing any further battles to maximize the experience earning. So that's it, guys. This is just for those who are not part of the Discord channel or who are not aware of yet of the corresponding upcoming double XP rewards event. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.